So there are 5 lines.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yep, you got your 2 hot. Well, okay, your 2 hot, your 2 neutral, and your 1 ground. Yes.
So the white color and black color, is it white color is hot or black color?
Black color is hot. White color is your what's supposed to be your neutral. Now that's on 110. Now if it's like a stove or dryer or something like that, then you're gonna have the white and the black's gonna be hot because you got to have 2 leads on the 220.
But most of the stuff we are doing is right next to
right next
to the sink, or whatever have water. The coal require right now.
Yep.
So the green at the bottom is
your ground.
Is the ground, which is right here. So on the other side, does it matter? So the other side, you will just black on one side and white on the other side.
What you gotta do is you gotta look on the back here. And it'll tell you, one of them says lead, and one of them says line, and one of them says, I believe one says lead, and one says
one says hot, one says white.
Okay, there you go. Yep. Some of them say lead and line, and your lead would be your hot, and your line would be your
okay.
So, yep. So basically, you would all right. So you got hot here. So your two black wires would go on this side. This one would be coming in. This one would be going out.
So will be the hot. Okay.
Right.
Okay.
So, yep.
I guess about electrician is everything is color coded. Am I correct?
Pretty much for the most part, as long as everybody does their job correctly, yes.
One of my friends is doing computer stuff, and she says it's not hard. I'm like, it's not hard. What do you mean by that? He says, if you put the wrong part, it won't fit.
Oh, he's doing like fixing them,
let's say,
apart and fixing them.
Let's say you got the printer, right? You try to figure out which one hook up your printer.
Right.
There's only one
way, yeah.
One way for that particular size.
Right.
You can't smoosh something else.
Right, yeah.
That's what he mean by that.
The hookups, the wires are, the wires, because they wouldn't, because like used to, they're not this way anymore, but used to the monitors, the screen, it would have a, on the end of the cable, it would have a huge hookup. I mean, it was huge.
Yeah, that giant one.
Right.
Now, the quick question is, when the GFCI was not broken, it's like not working before,
right,
it would mess up every line on this kitchen?
Everything that's tied on that same circuit with it, yes.
Oh, dang.
Like if it were in the bathroom, it would be pretty much like anything in that hallway by the bathroom, or, anything that's on that same circuit.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
So that's why we don't have power in the microwave.
Yep. Once we replace this, everything should be.
Do you want a Phillip?
No, I got it.
Huh?
I got it.
I thought we have a Phillip screwdriver in here.
It's all good. Honestly, you get a little better of a torque with it on the flathead.
Really?
Yep.
I haven't seen something like this super long. What does this do?
That's just needle nose that you gotta reach to them.
Dang.
Like sometimes
like a super long finger.
Right, like if I had to take the front panel off of that microwave and reach in the back for I would use those instead of sticking my hand in there. Definitely.
I see.
Yes, ma'am. Difficult.